Welcome back to SK Hobbies AZ, and I am Stitch. And on this episode, we're going to be talking about some upgrades for the SCX24 C10s, so stay tuned. All right, well, welcome back. So yes, we got some upgrades for these. Let's go ahead and turn around and see what we got. All right, so we've got identical sets for both of these. These are me and my wife's rigs, so we're going to keep them the same. So let's go ahead and we'll look at the my wife's rig, the blue one, on what we got. So right there, you can see we've got the C10. We've already done the bead locks. These are the Endura bead lock aluminum rims. And we're running the Little Guys Racing, you can see right there, Little Guy Racing Swamp King tires on it. We did upgrade this at one point to, you can see in there, it's the Hobbies Hobbies 050 motor. We did the free modification of, swapping the battery in the ESC location. And then we put on, those, you can see the long travel shocks, we got it in. And we currently had one of those Emax servos in it. But we're going to take this a little step farther. So we did get Furitek's Scythe carbon fiber rails for the C10. So we're going to get the chassis swapped out to that. And then also we've got both the new Furitek ESC, and we're going brushless in this. So we've got Furitek's, we got the Komodo Micro Stellar transmission. And, this is the little micro Komodo motor that they have, the brushless setup. So we're going to get that installed in it. Then moving on to there, we're going to do some RC. So you can see right here, we've got the mighty Chihuahua servo. We've got his overdrive gears. We've got a set of the bearings from it. And then we also got his servo mount. So then we move into some Endura stuff. Over here we've got some brass knuckles. We've got the front and rear diff housings, the covers, high clearance links from Endura. And then we're going to move into some trail stuff. We've got the plus 5mm extensions, brass weighting. We've also got the drive shafts. And then, looks like I missed this from RC. So right there, that is the upper link brass adapter that we're going to get. It's by RC right there. We're going to get that installed on top of, you can see right there. It's going to go up on the top up there on the axles. So, then we got some of these, and I got 3 different sets. We're only covering 2 in this episode, but you can see there's 2 different designs there. This is by Maz Designs. I found them on Facebook, and then got their link to their website. So these are titanium beadlock rings. So they go in to the Endura ones, and they're going to replace that black ring right there. So we got a set of these for each one to kind of try out. So we'll see how they look and go from there. So we got a set for each system. With that being said, I wasn't going to do individual videos on each one of these. We're just going to do one big video talking about the parts, but we pretty much got the same things, just a little bit different colors. We got from RC, we got the bearings. We've got, you can see over here, the overdrive. We've got the forward upper link mount. We've got his servo mount. We've got the Endura stuff, the Trail stuff. We also got Furitek's new brushless ESC that's in the box. We've got the Komodo, the micro Komodo motor with the Stellar transmission and the carbon fiber rail kit. And we also got a mighty Chihuahua servo. Now, with these guys, also got this setting here. So this is for the Fly Sky. This is how we're going to control it, but we're going to get this linked up to the new Fly Sky controller on both of them. I got 2 of those new Fly Sky Noble Pros. So we're going to get those installed, and we're going to be able to run these off of the Noble Pro. So there you go. There's the huge lot for the C10s. Let me go ahead and get you guys turned back around. Alrighty, so we got that done. We got the parts disclosed to you guys, so I hope you guys stay tuned for the next video. We're going to go over once we get everything installed, but this is going to be fun. So don't forget to like and subscribe and bash that bell. I'm Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ, and I'm out.